Grand tube filling and sealing machine is to fill viscous and semi-viscous products such as lotion, cream, gel, sauce, toothpaste, etc. into plastic, laminate, and metal tubes. The working process is automatic tube feeding, liquid filling, tube sealing and batch numbers embossing, cutting and discharging. It is widely used in cosmetics, food, and daily chemical products. Different sizes, shapes, capacities, and designs of tubes can be used on one machine by changing the mold.
Production speed 150-200 tubes min.